Me soon come back, mama. Me not gone for too long, it's only 8 weeks. Just enough time for see snow and freeze my eyebrows. Welcome to Canada?
Stoosh, what is here now? You're going to Canada and come back with all heap of foolishness? All of this for in Jamaica? Your brain freeze up to or what?
Ugh, sorry, Mom. I didn't expect it to be so tropical.
Tropical. Miss, you never even see snow till last week. Now you're the talk Canadian like your name Maple Leaf.
Wow, the next door neighbor's mangoes are getting really ripe.
You come back a full idiot. Me no raise you if you forget yourself, you hear? Jamaica might stress you, but it build you. Every little breeze, it live in your spirit. You can't run from your roots go run with you. Baby, me understand how this look. Panties in my house, you vex. But ask yourself, would me really be so careless? I can barely even look at your panty in every direction like breeze blow them in, and you sip tea like me blind, deaf and foolish. You're too quick for jump to cheating, baby. Maybe your drawers stretch and change color. You sure I know you own this? Me not argue with no clown. Move your circus lingerie from front my face. If that I me own, my body must have shape-shift overnight.
Baby, you're getting so wetty. Calm down. Me never cheat. Me just miss you so much. Me start sniff anything will remind me of your scent. Me want to show you me still know every inch of your body, like me ruler. Let we go. Inna the bedroom.
You know what? Me feel freaky.
Keisha, baby, where you gone?
Me left you tie up like Sunday goat for remind you say me a your woman. Not one of your little backdoor girl them.